through our government agricultural insurance scheme will not lose their livelihood if the crops fail during drought or excessive rainfall. The insurance company covers the loss, safeguarding them from destitution. This is especially important since a significant percentage of Ugandans, about 41%, are considered insecure, non-poor, meaning they are just one small shock away from poverty.
Obwiro bwingi abanya-Uganda batuire nibabonabona omulingo ogwo kushanga ngo nibaba nibenda sente bitu oshanga batazitungira mu bwire otireho na no kubura omwanya go bari kwesiga aho bari kubasa kubika sente aho abashuma obwiro bwingi bagumeni bateganisa abantu na no kubibaho sente zabo.
Lack of access to bank accounts, bank agents or affordable loans in rural areas holds people back. They cannot invest in their farms or businesses. We must give them the financial tools that they need to be successful.
Aha government niho yarugireyo ekatandika kureba ngo nehinduramo ahankora ezo kubasa kuhera abantu okubika sente ngokozesa za banka okosa mobile money otireho na za agent otireho na nebindi bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe.
More than half of our citizens, 54%, have a mobile money account, and providers are racing to resolve other financial inclusion challenges with digital solutions.
Wanyuma y'emyaka 5 enkore ziherize kutibwaho obwahati zigumeni zongerwamu obukugu omunjero iyo kureba ngo babasa kwehara abashuma abatureni bateganisa abantu kandi erizoba enkora zitari zimwe na zimwe minister yagira ngo batandikire kureba ngo bazitongoza ari kureba okubazongera mu teknolojiya kwenda ngo abantu bagumene sente zabo omuringo gutebekine.
Ladies and gentlemen, our new national financial inclusion strategy that we are launching here today is an opportunity to build on this progress. It will make a vital contribution to GDP growth as well as boost financial inclusion. We increase the number of people who can create wealth and help our economy to grow.
Arikutongozaho encourage Minister Kasaija yahega abanya-Uganda okureba ngo nibafayo okubika sente zabo omyanya eri mirungi oyihireho okuzibiika omyanya eyabashuma bari kuraka kuzibatwaraho.
Please muyingire mu bitongole oba mu banka oba mu sakozi obukintu kyonna wosobola okutereka sente zo. Sente nabagamba dati muziterekanga munakanye mu boxi temuzitereka mu mufaliso ogwo mulembe gwaggwawo nze nagula banga nkyali muto tata ya sente yaziterekanga mu kaboxi naye kati ebintu bikyaliwo sente muzitereke mu accounts zammwe mu banka oba mu sako zammwe. First of all, zibere secure.
Okunagira ngo eki kigenderire kureba ngo ebintu ebyabantu bari gukora bakwiya musente omwihanga yabasa kugenda omisho ari kugira ngo omuringo ogubatireho nibija kureba ngo gwayongera okubasa kubogo mutindo.
Twagala buli muntu abe mwana abe mukyala nga asobola okutambuza emirimu gye n'okutereka sente mu bibiina ebitali byangiriemu.
Mike Ating Ego ori omuhwezi owa governor owa banka enkuru eya Uganda nawe yagira ngo encourage abantu bashemerire kureba ngo bajejumbiramu kwenda kubika kurungi sente zabo.
Too many Ugandans still lack access to essential financial tools. Usage, not just access, must be our guiding star in the future.
Isaac Shaka olikora ombitongore ebya sente nagira ngo obuzibu obwingi obari kuchira kutunga no kushanga ngo hariho nka internet etari kukora kurungi eya buri keire aho kushandira ngo umuntu nayaba naenda kozesa sente ze aha mobile oti yazikozesa ari kugira ngo bashemerire kureba ngo internet nayo babasa kugitereza okuchondoza omu Uganda nikoreka ngo obwahati Uganda eyine bichweka kinana na kimwarigana ebyabantu abari kozesa mobile money kandi bichweka nkagana bishatu n'ubutonyezi mwenda aharigana bine kizibu echa network bitu ebiceka 9 na kimwarigana tibine buzibu bwona obwo kureba ngo nibakozesa encourage amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano abo Sky TV omuri Kampala.